Concorde. I can't believe it. I'm absolutely buzzing. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought in real life. My goodness. Wow. In today's video, me and my son are going on a road trip to Edinburgh to see a Concorde. If you don't know what a Concorde is, just skip to the next video. So we are heading to the Aviation Museum in Edinburgh to see Concorde, which was one of the most iconic planes ever built and designed for its supersonic speed. But sadly, Concorde since has stopped flying because there was a tragic accident many years ago, and you know, everybody on board lost their lives. We'll not go into that because it is very sad and tragic. But however, at this museum they do have a full real life preserved Concorde, which I'm so excited to go and see. Come on guys, let's go. Are you excited, little Harry? Mm-hmm. Oh wow. Wow, son, look, Concorde. I can't believe it. I'm absolutely buzzing. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought in real life. My goodness. Wow. I actually thought Concorde was like really small. I didn't realise it was that big. That's actually... Is it bigger in real life than what you thought? My goodness. It's huge. Look at that. I've always wanted to see what it looks like inside of a Concorde ever since I was Harry's age. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm the first one. Look at this way. Wow. It's actually smaller than a jet, a Ryanair or a Jet 2 flight. Look at it. Come on then. Let's have a look and see what looks inside. Wow. Absolutely amazing. You can see the windows. Look how small they are. They're tiny. There's not much luxury on this plane, is there? It just smells old, like a museum. So look, Harry's son there. It can get up to Mach 2. Look. Mach 2. 55,500 feet. At a speed of 1,380 miles an hour. So the one thing Harry has just noted, which is absolutely fascinating, is this ashtray. Look at that ashtray. Could you imagine people actually smoking on board planes? That's insane. Yeah, the toilet's not very luxurious, is it? Anyway, let's have a look at the cockpit. There is the coffee machine. You can see hot, cold.
There's a toilet right here.
Wow. Not much room for anything out here. There's a little sink. I think it's a little sink. All these buttons. Yeah, the cockpit is insanely small. That's where the crew would have sat there. Now that is unreal. When you look at the cockpit, you've got a little seat there. Can't really pick it up in the camera, it's quite dark. Little seat there. You can imagine this was the most luxurious, most expensive form of flying. But yeah, look at the toilet. Look how basic it is. But yet this was the most luxurious plane of its time. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, Harry, let's have a look outside again. So there it is. That is what a Concorde looks like inside. I have always wanted to know. Ever since being my son's age, I've always wanted to see what it looks like, and now I've seen it. Absolutely buzzing. So happy with that. I think my son is as well. Let's have a look around at all the other exhibits. Time to go for a cup of tea and some refreshments. All this excitement of checking out all these planes is making me thirsty. Ooh, coffee shop. Right, let's go and get a coffee. So I need some caffeine. And then we're going to go to, are we going to go and see the Vulcan?
Yeah.
So we've done the Concorde, then we're going to see the Vulcan, then the Comet, and then we're going to see the BAC, and also a fantastic flight. Yeah. Now I know some people watching this video will be interested about how much it costs for food and drink, so here it is a menu, so you can see. Not bad actually. Drinks. Not bad at all. And actually a very nice cup of coffee. Okay, so this is the military aviation hangar. Let's see what's inside. Come on, son. Oh, look. Spitfire? Oh, look at that. So there you can see. Actually quite big, isn't it? When you see it in real life, it's actually huge.
No, a German one as well.
You've got a German one, have you?
It's the rocket one.
Ah, yeah. Check that one out. The Messerschmitt Comet. Odd looking plane. Look at it. Wow, that's history for you. Very ugly looking plane.
Have a look at that.
Very ugly. Yeah, the Germans made a few errors when they designed that thing, because it is one ugly looking plane.
Just don't pull the top bit.
The ejector, I'm going to sit down and see how comfy it is. I hope I don't get it wrong. Ah.
Comfy. Fit perfectly.
Actually, it's not, you know, to be honest, it's not actually that bad. It's quite comfy. It's actually really nice. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering why I'm wearing my sunglasses indoors, it's because these sunglasses are also my prescription sunglasses. So without them, I can't see anything. This plane here is like driving a soft top convertible car, look. It doesn't actually have a roof, which can play havoc for your hair in the wind. Isn't that right, son? But this has got to be, Harry, the best fighter jet that's ever been built and designed. Check it out. The Harrier. Look at it. You gotta admit, that is a beautiful looking plane, isn't it, son? Absolutely beautiful. And it's big. It's absolutely huge. Look at the engines. Look at the size of that. I mean, it's a bit old and outdated now, but it's still a beautiful looking plane. And then we look at something more modern, like these here. What one's that, Harry? What's that one called?
Tornado.
That's a Tornado. Is that a Tornado as well?
No.
No? Toy. Let's have a look at this one. That's an impressive looking plane. Look at that. You got a much better view of the planes up here. Look at that, they're beautiful then. I wonder if the wife would like one of those. I used to build these all the time as a kid. Brings back such memories. Even the price.
Put more stuff out. Everything's supposed to be underneath.
So that's it for the day. That is the National Aviation Museum here in Edinburgh done. We can tick that one off our list. And just to let you know, how much did this whole trip cost us? The tickets were actually really cheap. They were only £27 for me and my son. I actually had to pay an adult price for Harry. Obviously, it was a 2-hour drive from Newcastle here, but, you know, get the music on, cup of coffee, nice little day out. So if you want to have a nice, fun family day out, try and visit the National Aviation Museum here in Edinburgh and you'll not be disappointed, especially if you've never seen Concorde in real life. Fascinating. Harry's son, what do you think?
Good.
There you go. My son is impressed. Tell everybody to smash the subscribe button and give the thumb a like. Give the video a thumbs up. Okay then. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Come on son, you got to get with the program. Bye.